god. How are we gonna drive? We're in the middle of nowhere. There is no petrol station, nothing.
I don't know. I was like, that thing here, it's just one bump. And it
Exactly, one bump and the tire got punctured. That man was kind enough to help us. It's freaking cold, you guys. It's very cold over here. I have no idea what we're gonna do. I hope we will be able to manage it. Good job, Princey. Good job.
Good job puncturing the car.
It's very cold, you guys. Thank you so much. He was kind enough to help us. We'll have to buy a tire.
Yeah, we'll have to buy it.
I think we'll have to go get a tire. We're in the middle of nowhere and it's very cold.
No.
So I'm gonna figure out what to do. What is he saying? What is he saying?
He's just speaking to them. He's just saying he got stuck here.
Evo ga čestitaju. To samo tebi može.
Back of his car, like it's a front tire.
We're gonna move everything. We're gonna keep everything outside. Hopefully, luckily we have a tire inside the car. We're gonna fix it. Let me see how strong you are. Okay.
Wait, that's heavy.
She'll break.
No, I know.
You have here.
Yeah, it's here.
Very nice.
Yes, Eureka!
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
You are from?
India.
Oh, very nice. First time on Fruška Gora.
Yeah. First time Serbia.
First time Serbia. Thank you.
You are from TikTok?
Huh?
TikTok?
Yeah,
What's your name, though?
Jumana.
Phil.
He asked me if I'm on TikTok.
Hands, you know.
I know following you.
Thank you.
And I...
Where are you from?
Is Serbia.
Serbia. What's your name?
Martin.
Martin. And what's your name?
Erik.
Eri. So you both are from Serbia.
Amúgy mondok egy kis videót, ezt nem fogja szerintem senki érteni, de amúgy is Szerbiából.
Okay. Gotcha. What did you say?
What did you say now?
I don't know in English.
It's okay. Do you want to say anything else in Serbia?
Jó hely amúgy.
Okay. And anything else about the place?
Pa tako, mislim, tako pričamo mi tu.
Okay. Gotcha. Thanks to these people for helping us out.
This years.
The wheel is used only 50 kilometers away. The wheel is used only 50 kilometers away.
This is not the actual tire. We have to change the actual tire.
Yeah?
That's what it is. Yeah. So the wheel can be only used for up to 50.
But this wheel is near...
The wheel can be used only for up to 50 kilometers. That's what he's trying to say. So we're using Google Translator to communicate with these people. See, it's written over there, max 50 kilometers.
Oh, max 50 kilometers. Yes. Got it.
This is only for emergency use. This is not the actual tire.
Right.
This tire not real.
Yeah. I understand.
I will have to go and change the actual tire.
A i to čak možemo staviti nazad, ne?
Da. Može.
Are we going to keep it back?
Maglenko mora ići tamo.
Ne gaziš odameći?
Nemoj samo da zatvorimo zbog dizalice, znaš.
We were actually on our way to Fruška Gora, but unfortunately our tire got punctured. But thanks to these people who helped us out. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you.
Nincs mit.
So we were lucky enough to find these people on our way and they helped us out. Alhamdulillah. Anyways, whatever happened for the best. I believe in that. So this tire that we just fixed over here, it's temporary, so it can be used only for up to 50 kilometers is what they said. So once it's just 3 minutes away, the place where we want to go. So we're gonna go to that place. It's just 3 minutes away. We'll go to the place, see the place, and head to, I don't know, some garage and change the tire to the actual tire, because this is not the actual tire and we cannot go to our destination in this car with this tire. So we have to change it. No other option. Here's the tire, the temporary one. This place reminds me so much of my hometown. So we reached Fruska Gora. We're gonna go out. I'll show you guys the place and I'll take a picture. We'll take a picture on phone though. It's actually freaking cold. I really have to remove the jacket to take a nice picture. It's okay. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. नहीं कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. Yeah. Thank you, gentlemen.
Oh well.
Look at this place, you guys. What is that place called?
Novi Sad.
Novi Sad. You can see Novi Sad from here.
Weather is bad, but you.
Oh my god, the weather is very good and cold. You call this cold? Oh my god. So we came across this shop and we're trying some jams and like some honey. I want to try this as well. By the way, everything is very delicious, yeah? You guys, I'm not gonna lie. It's very tasty. We tried couple of jams and like honey and we got all of these. You taking these? We took the berry, we took the strawberry, we took the apple jam and fig jam, and I got 2 honey for myself and she got 2 honey for herself. You guys, I'm not gonna lie. It's amazing, it's so tasty. The strawberry was delicious, this is berry, yeah? What is this? Oh my god, no, chili. Yeah, we tried chili though. Okay, this is chili, you guys. I'm gonna try this. I'll take a little and I'll give you guys as well. I think we've tried almost everything that they've got.
That's raspberry.
That is what berry?
Raspberry.
Raspberry. They've got a couple of fruits as well over here. I tried the cherry and the strawberry. Oh, everything is so tasty. Is it sugar or honey?
Honey.
No sugar?
No sugar?
No sugar.
Wow, you guys, I'm gonna buy everything. I'm gonna buy the whole shop.
What is this?
Something like cranberry.
It's okay, we'll try it. So we got honey, we got apple jam, we got plum jam, and so many other things. Yeah, that's it. They've got so many varieties of jams and what is this?
It's figs. Figs and
This is figs and pear.
yeah.
Okay. Hey, very nice to meet you, Raika. Thank you so much for your hospitality.
Thank you too.
We got our stuff. Now we're heading out. And if you guys want to buy jams or like fruits or all these, organic honey, you can come over here. And guys, by the way, so the things that we tried, the jam and stuff, it was very sweet. So we asked if it's made, if it has sugar.
Thank you.
It doesn't have
You're
sugar.
welcome.
It is all made by honey. So it's not sugar but honey. So it's healthy. And the jam will stay for like 2-3 months if you keep it in the fridge, and the honey is gonna last for long. You guys know it. There's a thief over there. Yalla, let's go.
Let's go.
So finally, after really long drive and the big trouble, like we had to face couple of things, like in between the tire, the brake was not working and sometimes the door was not getting locked. So we faced couple of problems and we couldn't find any garage because everything gets closed by 5 and it was already 5:30. We finally found a garage here in Roma. Thank God we reached here. And they closed by, I think, by 7. Luckily it was open. This is the only place which is open here for the garage. This is the only garage which is open. And this is in Roma.
Back carrying company. When you
So if the tire doesn't have like any big problems, or like if we can fix it, we're probably gonna fix it, or we're gonna change the tire. So that's what we decided. I hope it gets fixed, and I hope we get to go, because from here we have like 4 hours drive to the next location and we still haven't left. So what we thought was we'd leave early morning, but that didn't happen because of a couple of things, and we had to finish a couple of things. But now it's already 6 o'clock and I hope we finish early. Otherwise I think we'll have to stay back here, because 4 hours drive from here to the location is going to be really dark, and I don't know what to do. And I'm really starving. I haven't had breakfast or lunch because I was getting ready. They went for breakfast, and lunch we couldn't do because we were in big trouble. But let's see how it's gonna go, and I hope the tire gets fixed, hopefully. But the best thing about this place is that it reminds me so much of my home country, and the greenery it's beautiful. It's green everywhere, and it really gives you a very positive vibe, and that's what I like about this place the most, if you ask me. Because in Dubai it's mostly the weather is very hot, and now it's summer happening here in Serbia. But the summer that they have is the winter for us in Dubai. But I like this weather. It's very, very nice. Like, it's not very hot, it's not very cold. Like, it's in the mid-level. That's what I like. But sometimes it gets really cold. Like when we went to the hill area, it was very cold. Like it was very cold to a point I had to wear the sweater and I was shivering. So it does get really cold sometimes, but it's only during night and when you go to the hilly area. And there's a fruit market over there, you see? Very calm area. I really like it. But given a choice, I would not settle here, but I would definitely recommend you guys to come and visit the place and travel. And by the way, I forgot to tell you all, the cost of living is very less in Serbia, because most of the things are pretty affordable and very inexpensive. So I would say that the cost of living is actually very less in Serbia. That's what I realized in a couple of days. It is real when you when you have so much luggage, you have to keep everything back and forth every moment. What do they say? What happened?
Actually,
Don't touch her.
80 km per hour. That's the speed.
Oh, so we can drive?
We can drive. That's what he said. Like from your
For
car.
this tire.
Yeah.
This is only for going in service.
Okay. It's fine. He said it's fine.
Hi, how are you? What's your name?
Name is Bojan.
Bon. So guys, he's got a rent-a-car. So just in case if you're coming to Serbia, you can get the rent-a-car from him. What's your company name?
My company is Rent a Car Install.
Rent-a-car?
Install.
Okay, so you can get the rent-a-car from him. Next time,
My
hopefully we'll
company
get...
have service on road.
Okay, and they have road service as well.
Configuration is not. It
Yeah.
is bad. Europe car is bad. Serbian rent a car is much better. You have better service.
Next time we'll get it from you. Next time we'll get it from you. Guys, I have to tell you this. People in Serbia, they have really good helping mentality. That's something that I really found about this place. That people are very helpful, because anywhere you go, they're ready to help. The only problem is the communication. So I think communication is the only barrier, but they're very helpful. They're very welcoming, very helpful, and very cheerful. So now we're heading to Europe car, which is there at the airport. We're gonna give this car back because the tire is beyond repairable, so we can't repair it. So we thought we'll give the car back and to get a new car. They said they'll give a new car because we don't have roadside assistance, unfortunately. Anyways, are we getting the same car?
Yeah, same car.
Same car. We're gonna. Should we go for a bigger one? I'm just kidding.
Like they'll change it.
Yeah, they'll change it. So anyways, so we're gonna, wow, that house is beautiful.
Turn left onto
Sorry, back to topic. So we're gonna give this car back. We'll get a new car and then we'll see what we can do. We might stay back or we might go. But I suggest we stay because it's going to be dark. 4 hours drive. bit dark. Anyways, let's see. Stay tuned, guys. So finally we reached at the airport and we got the car. Our car is over there, the red one, and we're gonna change the items. I mean, we're gonna shift the items and then we go to our destination. 3-hour drives, you guys. 3 hours drive. So finally we got our car and then we were hungry. We were on our way, but you know, we thought we should eat something because everything closes by 10. So we came to Ledine. This place is called Hood Food. They have delicious pizzas, shawarma and so many other things. I got shawarma for myself and this girl had pizza and she had shawarma as well, but like she didn't eat it, so we took away her parcel. I'm sure you're gonna starve later. Thank me later. Anyways, so I couldn't vlog it because we were super hungry and I forgot to take my camera, but like we had it and we're really full now. We're really happy tummy, yummy in my tummy. And I thought I'll have some dessert, but then someone told me I shouldn't be eating it because I'll gain weight. And thanks to these guys, they work here. His name is, what's your name? Daniel.
Yes.
He's a chef. Amazing food, by the way, guys. He's just 22.
Yes.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, and what's your name?
Albert.
Albert.
Yeah.
And okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And the best part about being in this country, in this place, is that everyone is so helpful, so welcoming. Like I always said, they're very helpful. Like anything you say, they're ready to help. That's the best part about this place. Okay, anyways, now that we're done with our dinner, we're gonna head to the destination. 3 hours, by the way, 50-50. I'm gonna drive 1.5 hours. You're gonna drive 1.5 hours. By the way, they give me light because there's no light in this place. It's pretty dark. And guys, it was very hard for us to find a place where the food is halal. And we came here, we asked them, is it halal? And they were like, yes, it's halal. So the burger and the pizza we had and most of the other stuffs, I mean, you get halal food over here. And most of the places closes by 8, 7, but like this is open till 10. And I think it's wow. So make sure to visit Hood Food. So I just realized that this means Serbian, like it's a Serbian sign. Yeah, like this. Like this, yeah? Yeah. You guys, and this is my sign. Signing off. Jumana Khan. Follow me everywhere. We drove for like good 1.5 hours, 2 hours. Actually, she drove. I didn't drive. And I told her, listen, I'll drive. But then she's like, no, I'll drive. I'm like, yeah. Because in Dubai, it's just me who's always driving. So we stopped in petrol station because I wanted a coffee for myself and we thought we'll have some ice cream. It's actually pretty cold over here, but we're still gonna have ice cream. What do you wanna have? Oh, they've got ice cream inside as well. But like it comes in a cone. See, this one comes in a cone. These kind of ice creams, and this comes in a stick. That's the difference. So we had a coffee here, and guess what? I got prunes from the supermarket. It's not supermarket. What is it? It's like Zoom. Yeah. Zoom, it's a grocery thing. I got prunes from there and I'm so happy that I got it because I was really looking for it. So what happened was Jasna got prunes from Dubai and we finished it in like 2 days. And after that I've been craving for this thing and it's very healthy and it's very tasty as well. So every time I go somewhere, I go and I search for it. But like luckily today I found it. I'm so happy that I got it. Anyways, so we're about to reach hotel in like 2 minutes. My camera is gonna go off now, so I'm gonna say goodbye to you all. I'll see you all next day, that is day 4 in Serbia, and we're gonna be doing a lot of amazing things. It's going to be very adventurous, very thrilling. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, love you all. Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.